Okay, so we are making a short video about glass polishing. So we are in this beautiful apartment in Manhattan, and this is Slavik, our best technician. Okay, so this is what they have. This scratched. It's probably from welding, when the hot metal slide on this glass and burn it. It's very, very, very deep. All right, so we have couple spots on different windows. Right now we're doing kind of like a test. This is the area that we started. You see, we choose the area behind this beam, so in case something wrong, it may not be that visible. So what's the thing is, the glass is getting hot really fast. It's very slow to remove it. Right now we are polishing it for 1.5 hours with breaks every 30 seconds, and we still have a little bit of a damage. Wait, where is my finger? Okay, we still have a little bit of a damage over here. All right. Okay, so we'll see how it goes. The main concern is so when we polish, so we're not gonna have any distortion of the glass, and we're trying to smooth out the big area, and right now we stretch it out for 1 feet or even more than that. All right, so I'll show you the end result a little bit later. All right, so as you can see, the damage removed. The glass looks a little bit frosted. See, it's hard even to see. This is after the pre-polish, and right now we're gonna be doing polishing. All right, so the only thing we have here is a couple little dots. I don't even know if you see them. After polishing, they might be hardly noticeable. We did not go any further because it seems like those dots are really, really deep, and they're so tiny that it's just not worth it. Keep going. All right, so Slavik preparing the buffing disc, and let's see how it's gonna go. Unfortunately, I didn't take this video further to show you the end result, but as you can see even now from the video, that from this angle that I'm making the video, it's technically comes clear. So the Slavik is making the last and final polish of the glass, and this makes all the haze that was before disappear, and the end result, a nice and clear glass. And during the video you can see that there's no distortion whatsoever, and it was done very, very successful. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.